Oh, right. Okay, so basically let me try and see, but let me do one first. Let me. Okay, so have we done chi? No. Okay, so we're doing Indomie, right? Lipton, right? Milo, right? And Pepsi. Both we're trying to do two. Alright, so let me just, that's what we're trying to do, so that we can do it. Right, so first of all, to get started with Lipton, now the first thing we need to do basically is to get, let us do the yellow background. Alright, so I have this for the yellow background. It is basically yellow, is that correct? Then I have this. Now how do I do that? So you click on your rectangle over here. Once you have this, what do you do next? Click on your circle, right? So bring the circle over here, right? So select, hold your shift, select this one. You press E, you press C, right? So what do I do next? I try to make this somehow like this. Okay, good. Now select the two. Then what do? Weld. What did I do? Weld. Now head over to your shape tool. Click on this one to double click to click out. Double click on this to click out. Double click on this to click out. Double click on this to what? To click out. Right? So now click on this one here. Try to reduce it a little bit. This one here, reduce it a little bit. Right? This one here to reduce it a little bit. And this one here, reduce it a little bit. Good. Well, we have that. Now what do you do next? The next thing you want to do is to duplicate this. So just click and drag inside and duplicate it. Now put your mouse here, hold your shift, drag this out a little bit. This one here is white. So the first one at the back is what is white. Right? This one here is having the black outline and then there is red. So you click on F11 to apply color. So this one here is red, and this one here is kind of yellow, right? So something like this. So then you want to reposition it, right? So I want the red to be much more sharper. So then I have this, the yellow something somehow over here. Then you say okay, right? So I have this to increase the line. So just double click here. You have this. You click 1.5. 1.5 is okay. This is better. Is that correct? Good. Now what do I do next? Press come to your text tool, then you have your Lipton. Is that correct? Right, good. And then you increase it, then put it in the middle. So hold your shift E C. Right, so increase it. Increase it. Right, so the font, let's just choose Berlin Sand. Use white. Alright, so you click on your circle over here. Just click and drag like this. Click and drag like this. Right, and then you select this one over here, then you click and I'm doing this, I click and drag like this. Now select the two EC to align it to the center, then select this one over here, right click on it and say convert to curve, then head over to your shape tool, select all like this, and then also what, convert to curve at the same time. Now click on this one, this right, so this one down, this one up, right? So this one down, right? So select the two like this, and then this time around you say trim. So once you have that, delete this. Do you understand now? So that is that about that. So you can actually go back if it's not satisfying. Click on this, bring this down a little bit. Then this one too, you bring it up a little bit, and you want to rearrange it. You understand? So you have that, And then what's next? You can draw the circle around it. I should have done this before now. Alright, so but basically you can draw the circle around it. Easy. Right, so this one here, click on your smart view. This one is red, so you give it its red color. Right, then this one is blue, so you give it its blue color. You understand? So you have that like that. So that's that about that. So then select it all, then you group it. Right, select it all and what? Group it. So then what do we do next? The Pepsi. So just type Pepsi. Right, so I think the Pepsi is in capital letter, so click on text, click on change case, then choose uppercase, turn to capital letter, and bring it in the middle. Right, so you can reduce this. Right, then let's also use Berlin sand, but that's not what they use. But let's just use Berlin sand and make it bolder, for example. Then shape to increase it, to stretch it somehow. Don't know what they did though, but you understand. So we have our Pepsi like this. Select it, Ctrl G, and then reduce it. So we have our Pepsi. Now the other one is like this. Click on your circle. Click on your circle. Can you see? So we can follow the same procedure to doing the same way we did this. We can also do this one too like that. Do you understand? So we can also do that like that. So basically we select our, what's it called, this one here, then we have this. Do you get that? Now once we have this, right click on it and say convert to curve. Right, now click on the shape tool, select it like this, the same thing, convert to what? Curve. But this time around, this one over here, you bring it like this. Can you see? While this one, you have it like this. So this one is coming here, this one is coming here. Do you understand that this one is coming here? So you bring it closer somehow. Please get what I'm doing. Can you see? So this one is somehow like this. So this one you can see, bring it down a little bit. Can you see? Now select these two and then trim. So this one here, you delete it. So this one over here, you rotate it. That will be on the side. Can you see? So it will be what? On the side. So you can come over to your shape tool to reshape it. So you can come over to your shape tool to what? To reshape it. So you can have this, do somehow like this. Can you see? And this one can also be, depending on you. Can you see that? So you can have that like that. So that is that about that. Do you understand now? So then we have the color smart view. This one here is red, this one here is blue. Can you see that? Then you select the two like this, group it, Ctrl G, and make it smaller. Then you have your Pepsi like that. Alright. So we're done with this, and we're done with this. The first thing, you're clicking on your rectangle, you're doing it like this. This one, you do this like this, right? Now what do you do next? Right click and say convert to curve. Right click on your shape tool, select these two here, and then say convert to what? Curve. Right, so deselect it, select this one here, take it up. Can you see? Take it up. Then what do? This one here, this one is like this, right? This one here, curve it. So you want to make sure it is straight enough. Alright, so we've done that. So you come here, you click on shift, you bring this down a little bit to duplicate. Can you see? Now do the next one so like that, the same thing, bring it down a little bit, and also what? Duplicate it. Did you get that? Now this one here, hold your shift page up to bring it forward. So this one here is green, is red. Can you see? While this one here is yellow, right? Right, then this one, can you see that? So we have that. All you need to do, select this one. I think it's too tall. Bring this one down a little bit. Good. So select the three of them like that, and then group it. You get that? Select the three like that, group it. So reduce this. You can also stretch this on the other end, something like this. So click on it. Then we have Indomie. Then we have instant noodles. Alright, so Ctrl K it to break text apart. So this one here, increase it. Can you see? Increase it. So let's just look for a font that is somehow like that. So let's just go with this font. Or let's look for a better font. If you can use brush, let me see this guy over here. Black Rose kind of makes sense. So, but Black Rose is a custom font. You can find that on your what's it called. So you're gonna scroll down. So let's just see. Okay, let's use freehand. I don't know if you have freehand. If you have freehand, use freehand. Alright, use what? Freehand. Alright, so now if you notice the color is blue, but the outline is what? White. So we're gonna work on the outline, which is white. Now we click on this. Double click. Now increase the outline. Let's just use 16. This time around, say behind field and scale with what? Image. And choose rounded. The corner should be what? Rounded. Can you see? So but this is too sharp. So go back to it. Reduce the size. Let's go with 12. I think this is better, right? Okay, now this guy now come. So try to squeeze. Can you see? Then shape complete. Then the instant noodles, put it here. Can you see this? Fave. So we have our Indomie. Did you get that? This is